Here's a cooking video script for making a flavorful chicken wrap, great for quick dinners or lunch. Opening. Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be making an easy and delicious chicken wrap. Ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon oil, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 teaspoon chili powder, optional, lettuce, cabbage, tomato, onion, chopped cheese, 4 tortilla wraps. Prep step. Let's start by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, add the sliced chicken, oil, salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, and oregano. Mix to coat. Then let it rest for 30 minutes if you have time. Cooking process: heat a large pan over medium-high and add the chicken. Cook for 6-8 minutes until the chicken is browned and cooked through. Set aside to cool briefly, then chop into smaller pieces. For the sauce, in a small bowl, mix yogurt, mayonnaise, chili powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Chop all your fresh veggies, lettuce, cabbage, onion, tomato, ready for assembling the wrap. For wrapping, take each tortilla and spread a tablespoon of the sauce in the center. Add some chicken pieces, veggies, and a handful of cheese. Fold the sides in, then roll up tightly. For extra flavor, place your wrapped tortilla back on the pan and grill for 1-2 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Final serve. Slice your wrap in half, and it's ready to enjoy. Tender chicken, fresh veggies, creamy sauce, all in a warm wrap.